everything will be discussed today for your practical session here. Those who have not yet understood, directly I'll start working on the lab practice problems here. Before starting with your this word database, always you have to say connect, because we are going to connect to the server and enter user. Right now it is system for me, and password is also system. Once we enter our respective username and the password, it will say as a connected here. So for your reference sake, once again, I'll start creating the table itself. So create table student one. I'll say student one because already student is there here. Okay. Or VCA 4 sim. VCA VCA 4 sem here. Okay. Otherwise 4 enough. And open parenthesis. Then what all things I'll say, roll underscore number. I will say number only, data type. Then I'll not give any this word size. It will take automatically whatever we type. Then I'll say name. That should be in a varchar, and I'll provide less 10. Okay. So I think Sai Prakash will fit. SAIPRAKASH. Okay, correct. 10 it is. And then what I'll say, age. Okay. Where, yeah, sorry, number. We will say number here. 3. And sufficient for me. Afterwards, I will add what city, address, phone number. Afterwards, I will add. Once we have created a table, afterwards we will try to make it. Purposely here, sometimes what happens if you will forget to add one of the column, very difficult. No, to go there, alteration should be. That's what the reason I'll skip it now. And close the parenthesis. And always your SQL statement will be terminated this what using semicolon. Say enter. Table created. Now to check what all things are there for your table, that you have to say describe BCA 4. Disk BCA 4 here. Okay. So here we have, I have set the command line as disk BCA 4. Name, here roll number I have given, name, age here, and number varchar 2. 2 means for second version it is there, and the number it is what 3. Okay, automatically it will say here. After that, to check whether the records I have entered or what in your table, always the command line is select asterisk star from table name. It is what BCA 4. We know very well nothing is there in the BCA 4 here. No row selected. Yes. So now let us start working on entering the details here. Before entering the details, I'll give you the alteration commands also here. Alteration, it is what renaming the table, adding the column, dropping the column, modifying the column here. Let me tell you, you can rename your table. I mean, you can change the table name. You can add the column. Now here it is age is there. If you are interested to add the city address, that also we can do for this table only. And if you are not interested to provide the age, you can drop that age here, and you can change also here. So let us now I'll say alteration of the table name. Right now my table name is what BCA 4 is there. I'll make it as changes here. So to make the changes for the table structure, guys, I'm telling you table structure, not for the data. So for the changing the table structure, always you have to type this what alter. No matter what kind of a alteration you are going to do, whether it is a table name, or you people are going to add the column, or you're going to change the column name, or deleting the column, for everything you have to use the command as a alter only. Yes. Okay. Alter. Now first thing it is what my changing the table name. I'm going to change the table name BCA 4 to some other name here. Always the command is what alter table. These two words should be there for you people, because you are telling to the server that you are going to change the table here. So alter table. For the table changing, first of all you should write BCA 4 old table name. I'll just dictate here, alter table, old table, rename to new table name here. Now alter table compulsory, it is required. The way you will say create table. So alter table, my old table name is what? VCA4, and I'll enter for the step by step reference here. So I'll say rename to, okay, you are going to change the table name. Rename to what table name you are going to give? BCA, I will say 4. Huh? BCA4. Is that okay, or let me give some other name? BCA. Okay. BCA division. Fine. BC double A. Okay. And over. So BCA4 is getting changed to BCAA division here. I'll say enter. What happened? Table altered. Matlab BCA4, whatever that table name was there, to change the table name, you have to write altered table, compulsory required. Provide your old table name, come down and say rename. Rename means what? You are changing. You are changing the table name. So rename to what new name you are going to give here. Now I say purposely select. See now what I have said, table here. Okay. Select star from BCA4. BCA4 we have changed it. So what they said, the error it is what? Table or view does not exist here, which means we have changed that table name here. Okay. Uh, I hope you have got the idea for the changing the table name, how to change your altered table, old table name, rename to new table name. Fine. So this is done. And after that, we will check here. Renaming the column here. Now let me say describe BCAA. Okay, division here. Same it will come. Nothing it is different here. So BCA. Now this roll number is there. No, I'll say R number. I'm telling you that I'm going to change the column name. Roll number is there. I will say R number here. So for that also you have to write, type altered table. Altered table will be there for all the alterations, no matter what kind of a changes you are going to make, whether it is a table name or whether it is a column name, or whether you are going to delete the column or whether you are going to add the column name. Okay. So altered table, what is my table name? BCAA. Compulsory is required. What kind of a table name you want to make the changes? So then enter. What I'm going to do, I'm going to change roll number to R number here. So rename, changing it will become rename column. Yes, you have to say column here. Let us see. Okay, column, because we are about to change the column for that here. Okay, rename column, old column to new column here. I'm giving the statement for you people. Old column to new column. What is my old column? Roll underscore number. And what I want to change, I want to make the modification as R number here. So roll underscore number to R number. Okay. Purposely I'll do this. R number here. Table altered here. Got the point? To change the column name, suppose you will commit, normally we all commit the mistakes here. To change that column name, you can use this statement, alter table is required everywhere. What table you want to change, which table's content you want to change that. And to change the column name, always you have to use this what? Rename, say column. First of all, give the old column name and go to the new column name. Now I will say describe BCAA. Okay. So see here guys, wait, I'll scroll down so it will be visible for you people. Ha, see, find R number. Have a look. Then this is the column name over. Uh, What I want to do now, alteration for the adding the column. One more column I want to add. Now, right now, what all things have? We have roll number, name, age. Now we will add one more city. Sometimes we forget to add, no, for that purpose. Uh, so there are the two ways are there. What happens, I'll give you the situation. You have created the table and you have inserted the record also, and after that you will come to know that you have forgotten to add one more column. Okay, so that time also you can add the column, and after that also you can insert the record. I will repeat my statement if you have not understood. Suppose you have created a table already and you have inserted the records in that table, you will come to know that you have not added one more column. So that time also you can add the column or you can change anything. It doesn't mean that you are creating the table before insertion of the records only you have to use the alter command. No guys, you can alter the command after insertion of the records also. No problem here. Getting, but I'm telling you the situation that what happens if any of the column is to be added after the completion of insertion of records also, that time kind of difficulties will be there. I cannot say the difficulties, struggling will be there, because for every record you have to go on adding the value for that column, no, which is different records will be there. Assume that if you have 100 records, so it will be very difficult to add that separate records here. So that is also there here. Many things are there in the database. I'm telling you, you will not understand what I'm constantly talking here. And number of things you will learn in your database here. Changing, deleting, updating, adding, these all things will be there. So now what I do, first of all, I'll teach you how to add one more column in your respective table. No matter whether the table is having records or not having the records. This is not there here, okay? Both I'm going to tell. So right now we don't have the record, but still I want to add the column. So same procedure you have to follow when you are going to have a records in your table also. Not to worry here. Only what you have to take a bit struggle to add the records for the separate this what records here. When you are going to have different values. If you have a single value, now suppose you all are A division, no, everyone. Suppose if you have forgotten to add division for your class table here. So everyone's will be, and we have added all your class records from roll number 401 to this what, how many, what is the strength for you people? 500, assume that 401 to 500, all the records are there with you people. And we have not mentioned this what division here. So that time we can add the column immediately division, and we can insert the record A division for all the records from 401 to 500, which will be very easiest in a single statement. We can do that here. Getting, but when you have a different values, thoda sa struggle karna padega aapko. So let us keep aside. First, we will learn to add the column. So to add the column also, we are working in this what? Alteration only. So say alter, provide the table. Alter table is always our this what familiar keyword where you have to use. Okay, alter table. Always table name is required because we are telling to that no, we are going to change this table content. Then BCA. Yes, we are going to change for this table. Enter. And one more thing, let me tell you, after BC also you can go on typing. But I don't want you to don't confuse here. It should be separate line, which will be very easiest for. Now what we're going to do, we are going to add the column. One more, city, okay, or address, anything, whatever you want, you can do that. It's not compulsory. So now I say add. If you want to change anything, say rename. Okay, I'll give a pause for one more thing. I have remembered something. First of all, we'll finish this. Add column. Add, you have to say city. City where add variable name followed by this word data type here. Add variable name data type. So varchar, I will say 10, sufficient for me. Okay, finish it. Only one column we are going to add. If you want to add one more column, that also this what availability is there. That also we can do. Only what we have to use this what column, this here comma and enter mobile underscore number here. Okay, two columns we have added. When you are going to add the two columns simultaneously in a single iteration, that also you can do with the help of commas here. Complete the sentence with the help of this word, not required. Terminate your statement with semicolon. Yes. Invalid table option. Can anyone tell me? You will not get, but can anyone tell me?
Semicolon, ma'am.
No, semicolon we have given. So such type of errors will be there, Sigal.
Varchar 2, ma'am.
No. Varchar 2 will come when you will say this describe. It will come automatically. It is not your duty.
Column.
Exactly. Where? Add column. Invalid identifier. Can anyone?
मॅम कॉमा घातला तुम्ही.
Comma is required. Okay, let us see for only one alteration here. Okay. Still. Can anyone think? Very, very easy it is. Purposely I'm giving you because you should be familiar with all this kind of errors here. Check the spelling name. Check what I'm going to do. Check. Anyone got? Take your time. 2 minutes. Sai Prakash? Dinah?
Ma'am, last comma.
Where comma?
After varchar 10.
I'll show you what you are talking. Alter, this is correct. Check. What I have to provide here, tell me. You will, everyone will enjoy this this word database here. Practice. It will work out. I have told you n number of things added to do: adding, dropping, checking the errors, update, changing the values, everything. Think. Just tell me how you will create the table. I'll go for your reference sake up. With the help of this also, you can give me the idea. Wait, I'm getting up. Okay. Create table. Where it is coming. Yes. Can you see something here? Create table BCA4. What is there? Check.
Open bracket 2.
Yes,
And
yes. Correct.
one more thing.
Ha. So here opening bracket should be there. We are providing this what columns. Now I'll say here city. Varchar 10. Complete it, okay? Got the idea? We are going to add the column. So when you are adding the column, no required to say column, because when we create normal table, are we saying that column, roll number, number? No, just we are saying roll number here. Same way also, and where we are going to put that all that variables here, all the columns in one bracket, in one box we are providing. That's what the reason you have to use this word opening parenthesis and closing parenthesis. And when you have one more this word column beside this itself, say comma, start putting the variable names. Okay, so this done. Again we will check describe BCAA. Okay, see the city has been added. Fine. Okay, so this is done sufficient for us. Now we will start inserting the records here. For the insertion of the records, I'll go, first of all, I'll go for the inserting the records for only one value. Only one value here. Those who have not attended, those who had not attended the class last time, insertion, you can have a look for this. So to insert the records, you should be aware what is the table name and what are the column names here. So right now we have 4 column names are there: roll number, name, age, city. Okay. So let us start typing insert. Insert is a keyword to add the records in your table. To change anything for the table, there it is what you have to use alter table here. Now I'll show the insert. Then after that I'll go for the drop. N number of things are there. We have to go on step by step writing. So I'll go first of all insertion record. Insert into what is the table name? First of all, the table name, it is what? BCAA. This say R number. Okay. Then name. Then after that age. After this, what city? Over values. Values is required. Sometimes you all people will start working, forgetting to write the values. So many things we forget to write into also here. So values, start providing the actually record. Roll number is what? First of all 401. And for numbers, there is not required to provide a single quote. For the varchar, you have to provide a single quote here. Then name, it is what? Now I'll say first of all Aishwarya. Let us go according to this. Aishwarya. Then age 20. After that city Belgaum. One row created. Now this is only for one. When I want to have n number of records here, like a 10 records at a time, so what I do, I always use this and I always start changing. Why I need that here? So you have another option also here. I am not interested for this. I'll just delete this here. So what I have to say, another option, which means to enter the simultaneously एक ही बार आपको records add करते जाना पड़ेगा. Means you will be having the records of 5 or 10 like this way. So every time why it is required to type this all, better you have to use this what one statement, add the values for your first value and say forward slash. Okay. So start typing insert into BCA values. Okay, insert into BCAA values. Here, ampersand R number. Then name, it is there, which is the varchar. So single quote ampersand name, complete the single quote. Complete the single quote. Age is number. So not required the single quote here. Age. Then after the single quote, ampersand city, complete it and close the bracket here. Terminate your statement with the help of semicolon, enter. So first of all, it will ask you to enter the value for roll number. Now the roll number with me, it is what? 401, already there. So 402. Now 401, it is already there, no? So if I enter right now 401, it will take. I'm repeating, if I entered again 401, it will take. Why? Because I have not set the roll number as a primary key. Okay. So timing, I'll say now 402. Second, it is what? Akshata. I don't know whether Akshata is there or no in your class. Giving it. Okay. Akshata, age is also 20. And Hubli. One row created. So this is the statement to enter the n number of values here. So today today I'm going to show you this entering the values here. Again, tomorrow's class I'm not going to show this part here. Okay. So now this one, after one row record created, you have to use what? / enter. Immediately it will say enter the roll number. Third record 403. Name. This is what it is done. Bhavika, whatever, I'll take over now. Age 20, Belgaum, one row created, another value. So when I want to use one more value, you have to use this word / 404. Now I'll come for Dinah, age 20, Belgaum. Sufficient for me these values, okay? Or one more, 405. So / 405, name, Diksha, age 20, Bangalore. Okay, so these are the values done with me. Now I'll say select star from VCA. Yes. So see, last time what it had come, it was jumbled. Okay, it was 30, varchar 30 was there. So that's what the reason this what size it was taking long. Now today's size it is what 10 it is there. So only this much it will come here. Now you can have a look, proper data it is there. Okay, basic things are there. Basic tips I have to tell you. You have to keep your notebook and pen with you always. If you don't write this all the statements, okay, fine. If you're writing, it is okay for you. But if you're not writing this all the statements, okay. But what I tell, at least while typing, while telling you all the things, other than this what your SQL and number of tips are there. So you should note that points in your book, because we cannot meet physically right here. Only what online classes are there. So better it is you keep your notebook and pen with you. What all things you have to manage while creation of the table here, because all these records, all these statements are to be kept with you when you're actually working for your lab session here. Fine. Then what I can say you, now I want to see only roll number and name. Only roll number and name here. So what I have to say, when I use this statement, select star means all the columns from the respective table. I can say entire table is visible for you people. But I am interested only to check this what roll number and name, sufficient. So what I say, select spelling wrong. Take care of the spellings also. Select, you have to say a column name, what you want to select. Now I said roll number, comma, name, enter from table name. Okay, if you are interested to select only the respective columns, you have to use that what select column name, whichever you want. If you are having more than one column, you can use comma, that is there here, and followed by from which table name it is there here. The way you will say here from. Okay, so say enter. Now I'll say enter. Can you see? Only roll number and name it has come here. Okay. If I say only select roll number from BCA, it will come BCA here. Okay. So this was today's class. Next class I'll conclude, start giving the attendance here.